You are one of the candidates who is serious to get admission this year, right? You have written your JAMB, you want to get admission. This is a very crucial update that JAMB just dropped, so just pay attention and act accordingly. Pay attention to what I will tell you in this video and go and act accordingly. If you have questions, you ask. The important thing is that we are doing all we can here in Noble Tutorial to ensure that you gain admission this year. As we always say, you will be one of those that will gain admission this year. This is what you should do right now. Important notice for 2025 to 2026 post-UTME admission candidates. Now, following the recent update of WAEC 2025 result, you see that the result was released and eventually updated, right? They released it for the first time. They said there was an issue with it and they released it again, right? We urge all candidates, I am urging you, this is an official news from JAMB, who have registered for school post-UTME screening to re-upload the updated result on both JAMB CAPS and your institutional portal. I will give you the link that you can use to do these things. Go ahead right now. WAEC has released a result. Maybe the result was released initially and later they said there was a glitch, you know, Nigerian problem and glitches, JAMB issue and glitches, INEC issues and glitches. Here in Noble Tutorial, I've been following the trends. They said there was a glitch on the WAEC portal, meaning that the initial result they released, which some people, some candidates downloaded, saw their result and uploaded on the JAMB CAPS and on the institution they want to enter, they eventually found out that WAEC has gone back and done something on the result, right? Refurbished the result, updated the result. Some people that got F9 in some subject now were able to scale through to C6 or C4. What you have to do is to go and recheck your JAMB result if you have not checked it. If you don't know how to check it, ask me for the link in the comment section, right? So if you don't know how to check it, let me know. Then when you recheck, you will now copy it out or download it or screenshot it and now go and fill that recent up-to-date your JAMB score in the CAPS, in your WAEC score in the JAMB CAPS. Let's move on. This will ensure that your screening is processed with the correct information. When we talk about screening, we talk about your post-UTME. Of course, many institutions in Nigeria, they don't write written post-UTME, right? You don't have to come to the institution to write it with your hand. They do online screening. If you want to know the universities that are doing online screening and those that are doing physical screening, feel free to come under the comment of this video and ask me, right? Feel free to come under the comment of the video and ask. I or my staff will respond to you. But then, right now, you need to know that institution you are going. If you have registered, you also, as you uploaded your recent updated WAEC result on JAMB CAPS, I will show you how to do that later. Also go ahead and do the same, re-upload it if you have done it before, the recent one, the one that JAMB or WAEC updated. Go to the website of that institution, that particular school, that particular university, polytechnic, college of education, whether it is public university or private institution, then re-upload so that they know, because they will also check. They don't need to see a different thing from the one you uploaded. It will be automatically denying you admission. If you haven't registered yet, please upload your most recent WAEC result on JAMB CAPS. Once the JAMB CAPS is accessible, by now it's very much accessible, and I will show you to do that. Before uploading, ensure, pay attention, this is very, very important. Remember, I pray and I want you to claim it that your efforts this year, in this year JAMB, will not be in vain. You are going to be one of those that will gain admission this year. I want you to claim it. I want you to claim it. I want you to type "I claim it" in the comment section. That nothing will stop you from being one of those that will come later and tell us testimonies, how you got admitted. I've followed you in this channel from the beginning, even before you wrote your JAMB. I've been giving you tutorials, updates. There's nothing that will stop you. Your effort, your sleepless night, and all the money you spent in writing JAMB, writing WAEC will never be in vain. Claim it. Type I claim it in the comment section. Before uploading, kindly verify your O-level result to ensure accuracy. Like I said, this update is crucial for a smooth admission process. Please comply with this requirement to avoid any issues. Are you getting it? Note this following. Verify your result. Just go on WAEC Direct Online, waecdirectonline.org, and check your result. Verify your result. Upload or re-upload. Some of you have not even uploaded before. This is a wake-up call. You upload or you re-upload your O-level result. Then go to your school portal, O-level result verification. Avoid delays. So act accordingly and disseminate this information. Please go ahead and share this video. Let your friends, your fans, your followers, your classmates share this video. Click on share, copy the link of this video, share it on all WhatsApp group or your classroom groups. Let everybody get it, and don't forget to join. Let's move on. Look at the link. This directly from JAMB portal. You can access the official JAMB Central Admission Processing System. You know the full meaning of CAPS. CAPS is Central Admission Processing System. You can access the link through this. You can see it on the screen. If you want me to share it with you privately, you let me know. But you must have joined. And if you are having any issue, you want to talk to me privately, just join. Click on join, then tell me that you have joined. Then we can now talk privately. Look at this, the link on the screen. Copy it out. https://jamb.gov.ng/CAPS. Can you see? https://jamb.gov.ng.caps. I believe you have gotten it. This portal allows you, with that link, you can check your admission status when they start giving admission. You can accept or reject admission offers. You can accept or reject admission. You can upload your O-level result, which is what I've been hammering on in this video. You can monitor your progress with your admission. This is very important. How do you log into the JAMB CAPS? To log in, you will need your registered email address and password. If you haven't linked your email to your JAMB profile, you will do so by visiting a JAMB accredited CBT center or following the SMS method provided by JAMB. If you want to know this, or you don't know how to link your email address, you're having issues with your password, your email, your phone number, your SIM card, let me know. Click on join, become a member of our channel by joining. Then you can talk with me privately and I will guide you very well. Okay? For more detailed instruction on using the JAMB CAPS portal, you can refer to the JAMB website. Remember, for more detailed instruction, go to this. I already showed you. You can see it on the screen. Just click on it. If you encounter any issues, consider visiting the nearest JAMB office or an accredited JAMB CBT center, and you can feel free to also talk to me. What did I say? Like this video now. Share this video. Copy the link. Share the video. On all WhatsApp platform, on all Facebook platform, on all Telegram platform. Then don't forget to click on join, then subscribe. Once you do this, and come under the comment of this video and tell me I have subscribed. If you have joined, also tell me that you have joined, that you can ask your questions. There is a very, very important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.